Hi guys, do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah? So let's go. Purple color, brown color, pink color, dark green color, yellow color, dark blue color, red color, blue sky color, orange color, light green color. A. A for apple. B. B for book. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for house. I for ice cream. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nine. O. O for orange. P. P for pencil. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violet. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Number 10. Blue color, red color, dark green color, brown color, yellow color, gray color, purple color, orange color. First shape, heart. Red color. Heart is red color. Next shape, triangle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle is 3 corners. Yellow color. Triangle is yellow color. Next shape, circle. Blue color. Circle is blue color. Next shape, square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square is 4 corners. Green color. Square is green color. Circle. Gray color. Circle is gray color. Heart. Purple color. Heart is purple color. Triangle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle is 3 corners. Brown color. Triangle is brown color. Square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square is 4 corners. Orange color. Square is orange color. Heart. Triangle. Circle. Square. Circle. Heart. Triangle. Square. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.